Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate project using the Daydream March 2025 paper pumpkin kit. Just a reminder of what everything looks like. Before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. We have our Inked Occasions paper pumpkin kit. It's going to make 9 cards. Berry Burst is the stamping spot. Hugs the Bloom Dies add-on is available for $12. 166238 is the item number. These dies will coordinate with April, May, and June paper pumpkin kits. And I have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin if you haven't already done so. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this host code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards. And Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up. And I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. And this is the last month for host codes because our rewards program is changing in April. Okay? So lastly, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up product. I'm asking just $30 for each box. Shipping is included. And if you're interested, email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Okay? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for today. So let's get started on our project because we have a lot of stuff to do. I'm going to start by doing a little bit of stamping. So I am going to get a piece of cardboard here. This just came out of the paper pumpkin kit. And I'm going to get a 1 1/4 inch circle in basic white. And we're going to stamp our sentiment in mossy meadow. And the sentiment is hello. Just a tiny little hello. Okay. And then we are going to get some crushed curry. And I have I think it's a 2 inch or a 2 3/8 inch circle punch in crushed curry. And we're going to stamp in crushed curry ink all over this with this little honeycomb stamp. Oop. This is just to have some kind of background design. So we're done with that. Okay, and then we have one more thing to stamp. For this one, we are going to be heat embossing. So I'm going to get out my little paper here that I use for when I'm heat embossing. And we have our card base here. This is the card base from the kit, the Lost Lagoon card base. So we're going to take our embossing buddy and just put this all over the card front because we're going to be stamping some of everywhere on this background. We're just going to be creating the background. I have the large image of the honeycomb from the Happiest Hive stamp set that came in the kit, the extra stamp set. And I'm inking this up with Versamark ink. And we're just going to stamp this all around our card front, the base of our card. I'm just going to do it in 4 corners. Maybe not even really the corner, but whoop, that ink is sticky. So now I have the Wow Clear embossing powder, and we're going to emboss this in clear because I don't want it to be in a different color. I just want it to have a little shine. Just a little shine. We didn't get enough over here. See how I just emptied out almost that entire bottle? It's okay. Now we're just going to pour this back into our container. Clear all of this out. And we're going to get the heat tool and I'm going to silence the video. Okay, so we have that all heat embossed. Okay, so now we're going to start putting our card together. So I have our inside already ready to go. It's some crushed curry that is 5 by 3 3/4. Then some basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4. And then a little 1/4-inch strip of mossy meadow that goes along the 4 3/4 inch side of the basic white. We're just going to put that on the inside. Now we're going to layer up our card base. So we have this piece here, and we have a piece of mossy meadow. This is one of the circles from the Stylish Shapes. We're going to put that here. Then a piece from the card kit, from the paper pumpkin kit. And we're going to put that on here. And I want to get these arranged somewhat like that. So let me get some liquid glue. We're going to put some glue all over this circle to hold this in place. We're going to put that about right there. Okay. And then we're going to take our mossy meadow and adhere that one down about right here, like that. And I think I want to put the last one up on dimensionals. So let me get some dimensionals here. Ooh, all these minis. This one came out of a kit as well. Come on. I'm gonna put this. I don't like the placement of my dimensionals. That's why I use so many, because I'd be like, there's too much space. Okay, so we're gonna get this one on here. About right there. That's good. Then I have some of our flowers. That was the little garland-like type deal. And we're gonna put these on our card. So I'm gonna put Stampin' Dimensionals on the back of those. But we're also probably gonna need some liquid glue. Let me see what's going where. I know this one is gonna be about right here. But this one is going here, and that one's going there. Okay. Okay. Let's get these ready to go. I think I'm putting a little glue there because I couldn't remember. Okay, this one needs to go about, ooh, right here, like that. I'm gonna put some glue on this. We're gonna have this one about right here, like so. And that means this one is gonna be about right there. And I probably did not need to put that dimensional so low on that flower. Okay, so now we have that. Then I have stamped in basic black, Memento Tuxedo Black ink, I'm sorry. I did the double stamping, what is it called? Two-step stamping and got the crushed curry. Then I did the wings and crumb cake. I stamped off and then stamped the wings and crumb cake, and then I fussy cut it out. And we're gonna glue this right about here, like that. Then I'm gonna take a dimensional and find our sentiment. We're gonna pop that up. We're gonna put this one about right here, like that. And I have one final flower, one of the daisies from the kit. I'm gonna get a mini dimensional here. Ooh. I don't even know if this would be small enough. Nope, I'm gonna need to cut a dimensional. One moment. Let me get my scissors, my paper snips. Let's see if we can't cut a little bitty piece right here. Get a little glue. And we're going to pop this on about right there. Like that. Okay. And the only thing we have to do now is add some bling. Oh man, my card is curling up from the heat embossing. So now, what do we want to use for bling? Where's my bling? I had some picked out, but I'm not sure. Okay, I think I'm going to use the Riverside Irregular Pearls that came in that the Otter, because it has Lost Lagoon. Yeah, I think that's what I want to do. So I'm going to put some of these around our card here. Put one there. Isn't that cute? I like this. Oh, I got this idea from one of the cards in the kit. Isn't that cute? On the inside. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.